How can you add filters to your images with Phonto? Let's open the app. We're gonna go right here on the bottom with a little camera. We're gonna select an image from the album. Then we're gonna go to camera roll. We're gonna select this one right here, and you'll see all the filters right here on the bottom. You can apply like different effects, like this one right here. This is the one I like right here, fade. I love those colors. And also you can add like this one, and let's try vignette. You can change the intensity and the radius. So here on the left you have the intensity. You can make her stronger or the opposite. So, and if you tap on radius, you can actually make some more changes, as you can see. So this is another filter right here. You can add this distortion, or even this one right here. You can change the angle and all that stuff. The radius, you can make it bigger, like take more of the picture. Like the effect is gonna actually take more of the picture. And that's how you can apply your filters. I'm just gonna leave it on fade. That's the one I like. And then once you have your filter or your effect, you can just tap on done, and you're gonna have your image, and it's gonna be ready to work with.